Hi guys, welcome back to Cartex, and it's holiday time again. This time I'll have this Seat Leon with me. Fairly new car, little over 1000 kilometers. It's an FR version, so the sportier version with the optional 18-inch wheels. But yeah, as standard, a normal FR business is already really good equipped. So of course LED headlights, LED fog lights. This car has the color magnetic tag with the optional 18-inch wheels set. Looks way better. And then engine wise, it's the e-hybrid version, so 204 brake horsepower, and the new battery pack, so the 90.7 kilowatt hour battery. So you have a WLTP range of 130 kilometers. So let's check what we can do with it. And also on the rear, as said, it's an FR version, so the sort of plastic surroundings for the exhaust and the FR badging on the rear. It's a nice looking car. And as said guys, the 18-inch machined wheels, so they're sort of polished, look really good on the car. Even like them more than the Supreme wheels, but that's a personal taste. And the LED headlights with the cool daytime running light in it. Well, part of me, you guys didn't know, I'm a former old Ibiza driver, and I still really love this color. Even do have the paint code of it, so if you want to paint something in that color, feel free to ask me. And look at this car guys, no black package or something needed, because already all parts are matte silver and the roof rails is already black, so looks really good. Guys, just a minute. I had a cooperation with a guy named Yuri Accessories, and I got a little action for you guys. Always hassle with a place for your sunglasses, etc. Well, these two things for your parking ticket. There's also this guy. Yuri Accessories made this stuff. You can just put it here inside, and you have a little box for your sunglasses, parking tickets, etc. Really handy, really cool. They also make glow-in-the-dark pieces for your heater buttons, etc. I put a link in the description to the website of Yorick Accessories, and I got a little discount code for you guys with Cartex15. You will get 15% off your first order. Then on the inside, well, fairly standard, the FR version with the sport seats, red stitching in the steering wheel, the FR door sills, and FR logo on the steering wheel. But what I really like about this car, it's a sort of cockpit feeling. Because of the center console, it's really high, so it sort of feels like a cockpit. You're surrounded by it. And of course it's a new model, so you'll always get the new 13-inch screen. And of course on this car also the digital screen in front of you, and you can just adjust it to your preferences. So really cool feature. Already know this from the Golf, etc. But it's cool to see it on the Leon too. As said, the 13-inch screen, well, works really quick. It's not slow compared to the old like Leon or Golf platform. Really quick, really fancy. It looks good, and you also have the sort of physical buttons for air conditioning and volume over there. Also, I really like this heartbeat function of the starter button. You can program it to every car, but it looks cool. And as said, the red embroidery in the steering wheel. You see FR steering wheel, so it's a little bit thicker than the normal steering wheel. Feels really good, really comfy. And of course the car has adaptive cruise control, etc. So it's a nice companion to travel with. And then the only thing I don't understand at this car, you need to opt for the technology pack for seat heating, but you already got the heated steering wheel. At Volkswagen you can order it separate from each other, but on the Leon FR business it's standard. Well, the steering wheel heating is standard, but there's no seat heating. And then fuel consumption. On the plug-in hybrid it really depends on if you charge or not. As you see, since I did a refill of the car, I did 1032 kilometers. Usage of 160 kilometers per liter on petrol and 69 kilowatt hour per 100 kilometer on the electrical part of the car. So yeah, it's really economical, especially, well, I charge it every day in my holiday because I have a charging pole at the little house, so that's super. And you can get the most out of the car. Even managed to do 135 kilometers, and no, not what the car said, but what I really drove with it. 135 kilometers on the battery, so it's more than the WLTP range. So it is possible. Well guys, as said, it's an ever business car, so it's already really good equipped. Even side assist is in there, and the cool part is that it's in the ambient lighting, so not in your mirror or something. It's in your ambient lighting, which is on the dash too. Can show you, I think, when I put on the light. It's in the dash, in the doors, underneath there. And I said the side assist is in your ambient lighting. Really cool feature, really love that. Well guys, the Seat Leon, drove about 1000 kilometers with it. It's a real good holiday companion, really spacious, really economical if you charge it, let's say it like that. So what do you think of it guys? Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time.